Again, students, let us learn the continuation of chapter 4, the reproductive health. Zygote intra-fallopian transfer is at IFT. It involves the transfer of either zygote or early embryo at 8 blastomeres stage in the fallopian tube of the female. Intrauterine transfer. It involves the transfer of embryo more than 8 blastomeres, for example at 16 or 32 celled stage in the uterus of the female. In vivo fertilization, fusion of gametes within the female, for example union of sperm and ovum in the reproductive tract of the female. Sperm is artificially introduced into the vagina, cervix or uterine cavity. Gamete intra-fallopian transfer, GIFT. This technique is employed for the female with prolonged sterility but having at least one functioning fallopian tube and a normal uterus. It is providing suitable environment for fertilization and normal development. It involves the transfer of the male gamete, the sperm, collected from the husband or donor, and an ovum collected from the donor is introduced into the ambulatory isthmic junction of the fallopian tube with the help of a laparoscope. Fertilization and cleavage occurs in the fallopian tube. Intracytoplasmic sperm injection, ICSI. In this technique, sperm is directly injected into the ovum in the culture media. The zygote or embryo is transferred into the fallopian tube or uterus of the female. Artificial insemination, AI. This technique is followed when the male partner fails to inseminate. Semen of the male partner is collected and introduced into the vagina of the female. Intrauterine insemination, IUI. If the semen is introduced into the uterus of the female, then it is called intrauterine insemination. Side effects: nausea, vomiting, difficulty in breathing, irritability, abdominal pain are some of the side effects. Drawbacks: test tube baby techniques is not possible with damaged uterine wall. These techniques need extremely high specialized professionals and expensive instrumentation, so available only for few people. These have raised several ethical and legal problems, emotional, religious and moral issues in the society. Low success rate, so 4 or 5 fertilized eggs are placed in the uterus, which sometimes leads to multiple births. Surrogate mother. A surrogate is a woman who agrees to become pregnant using the man's sperm and her own egg. The child will be genetically related to the surrogate and the male partner. After birth, the surrogate will give up the baby for adoption by the parents. Benefits of assisted reproductive technologies. It increases the chances of conception. It increases the chances for infertile couple to have a healthy baby. So it is a boon to infertile couple. It decreases the miscarriage. Thank you, students.